Hi guys, for today's video I am going to be recreating some thrifted items. So I have this pumpkin that I bought, I believe at Value Village, and it was sometime last year. It was definitely after the fall, and I had seen these pumpkins. I got a few of them and I thought they were just amazing. So this pumpkin had some sort of gold ribbon all around it. So I had taken that ribbon off and tried to get as much of the gunk off as I could. And then as you saw, I sanded it there. And I am going to be spray painting it in the coastal blue from Rust-Oleum. Now, I saw Sonia over at Domestic Diva DIY paint some pumpkins in the coastal blue, and I just love the way they turned out. So I thought I would paint mine in that color as well. So I'm doing a few coats of this, basically two, but I'm doing first half of the pumpkin, then the other half, and then I'm gonna just do touch-ups where I need to. I thought I would have to do two coats, but I only had to do one plus a little bit of a touch-up. So this video is a part of a challenge. It's a monthly challenge called Flippin Fridays, hosted by Jamie over at Border Bananas. If you have not had a chance to check out Jamie's channel, make sure you check it out. I'll have it linked in my description below. She's super talented and does a lot of fun DIYs and beautiful DIYs, so make sure you check her out. Also check out the playlist. You won't want to miss it. There'll be tons of basically flips on there, so make sure you check out the playlist, which I'll have linked in my description below as well. I won't be showing you guys the touch-ups, but once that is dry, I will show you what I do next. So after I've touched it up and let it dry, I'm just going to paint the stem using my Mine's espresso paint from Michaels, and I'm going to just lightly paint it over. So the top part of the stem I'm doing like full coverage, and then the bottom where it meets the pumpkin I'm doing like a lighter coat just to kind of resemble what a pumpkin would look like. Not that you see blue pumpkins, but anyway, this is the look that I wanted. So here is the finished pumpkin. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. I love that blue color. It's going to go beautifully with my decor, and I just absolutely love it. If you're brand new to my channel, make sure that you stick around so you can see what I do. Basically, I do DIYs, trash to treasures, thrift flips, furniture painting, Dollar Tree DIYs, any of that kind of stuff. So if that's something that interests you, make sure you stick around, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you can see my videos when I first upload them. For my next flip, I'm just going to be updating this little sewing machine. So I got this at this thrift store. I'm pretty sure someone made this. I thought it was super cute. So I really thought about how I wanted to go about this. I didn't know if I wanted to paint it, if I wanted to stain it. So I decided to use my Annie Sloan black wax. And I'm just going to essentially stain it with the wax. When you're applying the wax, you just want to do a light coat, and then you want to wipe it off. So once you put your coat on, then you wipe off the excess, and you do this until you achieve the amount of color that you want. So that is what I'm doing here. So once I waxed it, I noticed that I wanted a little bit more color in it, and I decided to use some spray paint, and I spray painted the base of the sewing machine in my Rust-Oleum chalked linen white paint, just to give it a little bit more depth. So I just do one coat of this, and I'm doing it fairly lightly because I do want the dark to be kind of showing through, and you'll see once it dries what I mean. Right now it kind of looks patchy, but you'll see what I mean once it dries. So here's the sewing machine all dried and finished. I think it turned out really nice. I love that it has some of the brown showing through, and it's kind of imperfect. I wrote Singer on there. Not sure if I'm the happiest with that singer on there, but I can always redo it. But I just think because it's a handmade piece, it just adds to it. But if you like these two pieces, make sure you hit that like button. If you like what you see, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can see more and hit that notification bell. Make sure you check out Jamie over at Border Bananas and the playlist. Thank you for stopping by. Have an excellent day, and here are some videos that I'm suggesting for you.